What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing this ramp from Graw ramps, and I'm going to be talking about how you can get one just like it. This is the best kicker ramp I've ever skated, and the best ramp I've ever bought. It's awesome how they were able to make this one solid piece, so it's not heavy, there's no support, but it still is very strong, and it works as a launch ramp. It also works as a quarter pipe. That nice little bend to the top is really nice for doing blunts and lip tricks. You can kind of see it almost looks like a quarter pipe. It's pretty steep and it's got perfect transition. Also, the metal at the bottom, it's not jarring like a lot of ramps. It's very comfortable.
This ramp fits pretty good in the trunk of my car over the seat, but if someone were to run into the back of the car, it would be really bad. I've got like this razor sharp giant metal piece that would be coming forward, so I've been very careful while driving.
The transition actually feels perfect. The only thing I would change about this ramp is I would make it a little bit wider, because it kind of is hard to go turn a 180 and come back in. I'm probably going to be buying another one of these ramps because of that. They did a great job with the back. This thing doesn't slide or move around. If you go off at an angle and try to do a 180 off the side, it is going to move. But if you're trying to go straight up it, this thing's not going to move at all. And one of my favorite things about this ramp is definitely the metal at the bottom, because it's so smooth, I don't even notice it. Just the texture of this, it's just such a smooth wood. It's not like plywood or anything like that. It's so smooth, it's a pleasure to ride. The shape of this ramp is perfect. It launches you up really nicely, and it skates as a quarter pipe really nice. Like, they did a great job with the actual shape of this ramp. I'm definitely going to be able to learn new tricks and progress my skating because I bought this ramp. I would suggest this over any other kicker ramp you can buy on the internet. It's so light, I'm going to be able to carry it to spots with me, and it's going to be in a lot more of my videos. Most ramps have been so heavy that I've had in the past, like the Fresh Park ramps. They're just so heavy you could never possibly skate while holding it and take it to a spot. If you see a version of this ramp for cheaper than the version I have in my link in the description, it's because it's a smaller version. They make smaller versions, and they also make some thinner versions that aren't as strong. But this is the one I would suggest getting. The smaller version is just not anywhere close to being as good. This is the G35 from Graw ramps, and it's the perfect ramp. Any smaller and it would just be too small. If you are a real beginner and you just want it for a kicker ramp, you could get the smaller version. So like I was saying, I have a link in the description below, the link where it says ramp. Click on that and it'll take you to Amazon where you can buy this, and it'll get to your house in just a couple days. So it's really quick shipping, and it's convenient. It's packed really well, easy to set up. I've also got links to all the gear I use in these videos. People are always asking me what camera I use, what 360 camera I use for some of the footage where it's follow filming me. And I've got all of that linked in the description below. So if you're interested in any of that, click on it. Even if you're not going to buy anything, it'll help support the channel and help me make better videos in the future. So just, click those links. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. What's up, guys? Today we're going to get on Amazon and we're going to look for a skateboarding ramp. Let's see. So if we turn the prime on, the first thing we get is a scooter. Then we've got these cheap plastic ramps, another scooter. Let's turn that prime off and see what happens. Okay. All right. So the first thing that seems really interesting on here is this little thing right here. It looks like it'd be light and strong, really portable. Looks like it would really be like solid and stuck to the ground too. Like this is interesting, but it's so small. This also looks pretty cool. It's kind of like a quarter pipe without the back to it. Just a kicker. Oh, and it's pretty big too. Oh, that's pretty cool. That might be a lot of fun. Not mean to click on that. We got stickers. I don't understand why people put stickers on their board, because they're stickier than the board is without them. And then when you wear through them, it's just extremely sticky. So, I don't know. Got a quarter pipe. The thing about these quarter pipes, that's $499. It's $500. And I could build something like that for like $40. So, I'm not going to do that. We got this pet ramp. Looks pretty cool. Ooh, that's probably a fingerboard ramp. Yep. They trick you with these. You buy it and it ends up being like less than a foot long. Got a ramp to change your oil, drive up on a curb. And here we go. This is actually really interesting. This is a larger version. I don't remember how much the other one was. This one's $166. I think the other one might have been $145 or something like that. But I would much rather have this one, the larger one. I feel like I could use it as like a quarter pipe and a kicker. Maybe. I don't know if it's strong enough for me. We've got this little bitty kid in the picture. And I'm 200 pounds. It looks like it's pretty sturdy and pretty big. That kid's a little bit older. He's like maybe 14. But yeah, that looks interesting. That looks like something I could use in the backyard on a little bit of concrete I have as a little quarter pipe and a kicker ramp into the grass. So also you could do little wallies and stuff on the back. So I'm definitely thinking about buying. What is this? What is this little light up board? Little tiny board on the down there. Definitely considering buying this. Okay, so my air conditioning's coming on. I have to walk away from that. Ooh, we got a rail. That rail looks short. I mean, not very long. It looks like it's kind of tall, but not very long. These Fresh Park ramps, I have had several of these ramps, and they are just the worst things to ride. Like they're so stiff, and like you hit them like a wall. It's like there's no real transition to it. It's like a bank. I can't handle those. Looks good though. It looks short and just perfect. Got this BMX ramp, foldable. I want them to make something that actually works that's foldable like that for skateboarding. The only one I've ever had that was foldable was plastic, and it would literally, like, you would fall inside of it. It would like break every time I rode up it. It was so dangerous. Man, those fingerboard obstacles could really trick some into thinking it's a real skate ramp. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, well, I am going to buy that ramp and I'm going to make a video skating it for sure, because that thing looks like a lot of fun. It looks really light and portable, like I could take it anywhere. So I definitely want that ramp. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have a link in the description below where you can buy that ramp. And if you like this video, give it a like, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.